An eager inventor marched into the patent office, bursting with pride. "I've built the world's smartest robot vacuum," he declared. The examiner, half listening, scribbled notes as the inventor explained, "It learns your every move and follows you everywhere." Weeks later, the prototype arrived, only it didn't clean. Instead, it spun, twirled, and shadowed the inventor's every step around the living room. Turns out, the examiner misheard. He filed the patent as autonomous dance partner. Now his floors are filthy, but his tango is flawless.